all of our friends and those we haven't met yet, welcome to Meydenbauer Center. We've missed seeing your lovely faces, but we are so excited to have you back here with us again soon. COVID-19 has brought a new uncertain future, and we understand that it can be hard to visualize what live events will look like going forward. But the event industry has always been filled with creativity and innovation, and now is no different. We here at Meydenbauer Center have been hard at work. For the past couple of months, we've been collaborating with others in the industry to determine what live events might look like. And now we're looking forward to collaborating with you, our clients, to develop our new next practices. So let's get started. So what will socially distanced events look like? Our team has put together sample diagrams of each space with socially distanced setups. Currently, we're anticipating the need for maintaining 6 feet of distance between each attendee, so each room setup is designed with this in mind. In a social distanced world, groups may require more space than in the past. Our event managers are happy to work with you to find the space size that's going to work best for you with these new guidelines in place. Of course, we do have some other suggestions to help create the safest environment for breakout sessions. We would encourage longer break periods, a minimum of 30 minutes, so that our team will have time to go back into the breakout sessions and disinfect the room and reset the chairs to adhere to the socially distancing guidelines. Another option might be to create tracks where the same individual will be able to go back to the same breakout session throughout the day. If possible, set up assigned seating and/or encourage guests to maintain their same seat throughout the day. This reduces the use of mixed-use spaces. We're finding that it's not just minimizing close contact in shared spaces that makes guests feel more comfortable. People are also looking for a higher level of cleaning and disinfecting than we've seen in the past. There are really 2 main areas of focus when it comes to cleaning and sanitation that you should pay attention to. The first is the disinfection of high-touch surfaces. When we reopen, we'll disinfect all equipment in a room as soon as the setup is complete. Then we'll go back on an hourly basis or during breaks and reapply disinfectant to high-touch surfaces like elevator buttons, door handles, and tabletops. The second is promoting personal hygiene. We continue to see that hand washing or hand sanitizing are among the most effective ways to protect yourself from COVID. Messaging around this is key. We are installing signs reminding guests to wash their hands for 30 seconds on an hourly basis, and other brightly colored signs to identify our touchless hand sanitizer stations outside of meeting rooms. Sharing this type of guidance with guests in advance of their arrival and on-site is highly recommended. In general, I would encourage you to work with your venue to figure out what cleaning systems are in place and if there are any special requirements for your attendees. We can also help to eliminate risks by eliminating printed programs or other promotional materials to reduce the number of items guests are touching. Instead, encourage guests to bring their own pad and pen, or even a laptop to take notes. Well, thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you all again real soon.